Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to talk about short speech on Republic Day. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's go. Dear teachers and friends, Republic Day in India is celebrated on January 26th each year to honor the day. The Constitution of India came into effect in 1950. It's a significant occasion marked by flag hosting ceremonies and parades by armed forces and school children held in different parts of the country. The grandest of these parades are held at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. On this day, citizens join together to reflect on the sacrifices made by freedom fighters and to renew their dedication to a united, progressive and inclusive India. Schools also celebrate the day with great enthusiasm and patriotic fervor. Various activities including flag hosting, cultural programs, speeches and various competitions are organized to make the celebration memorable. If you are seeking inspiration for your Republic Day speech, then this article is here to help you in crafting a compelling and impactful address. Jai Hind. You heard a speech? Please subscribe, like, share and comments. I wish you Happy Independence Day to all. Bye.